What if I told you that your PR strategy might be keeping your brand invisible? If you're relying only on press releases to get noticed, you might be stuck in what I call a static PR cycle. And in today's fast-moving SEO-centric media landscape, that's a problem. The truth is, media outlets and newsrooms are downsizing to cut costs. In 2023 alone, over 21,000 media jobs were eliminated, and with fewer journalists covering more ground, they simply don't have time to sift through endless press releases or think about how they can help your brand gain visibility. So if your PR efforts center around only sending out announcements when you launch a new product or service, your brand is really missing out on major opportunities for media exposure, which, as your competitors take a more proactive approach to PR, puts your brand at risk for losing sales. This is why smart brands are shifting to what I call a visibility PR strategy. Instead of waiting for something newsworthy to happen, like a new product announcement, these brands are actively shaping the industry conversation through media exposure, positioning the brand and team members as thought leaders, and earning consistent media coverage that influences rankings in search. So let's break this down a bit. Static PR is reactive. You send out a press release when there's a new announcement, you cross your fingers, and you hope that an editor sees it and picks it up. But once the news cycle moves on, your brand fades into the background because the news in the press release that you just sent out becomes old and irrelevant as newer announcements bury it. On the other hand, visibility PR is proactive. It's about regularly contributing insights, offering expert commentary, and securing bylined articles in key industry publications. This takes a proactive approach by reaching out to editors with story ideas and expert opinion pieces that appeal to an outlet's audience. And why does this matter? Well, because of downsizing, media outlets are now relying more and more on contributed content, guest articles, expert opinions, and trend analysis. In fact, a Cision study found that only 3% of journalists rely primarily on press releases today, while 78% actively seek expert sources for stories. That means the brands getting featured aren't just the ones sending press releases, they're the ones providing valuable insights through proactive media relations outreach to the influencers who publish the stories. And there's another huge benefit to visibility PR. It boosts your SEO. High authority backlinks are one of Google's top ranking factors, and Ahrefs reports that over 66% of web pages have zero backlinks. Brands that consistently get mentioned in news articles and industry blogs gain a major advantage in search rankings. And this doesn't come from a press release only effort. So if your brand is still relying on a static PR strategy, sending out the occasional press release, it's time to rethink your approach. Visibility PR keeps your brand top of mind, strengthens your credibility, and ensures that when journalists need a trusted source, they think of you. Interested in how you can make the shift from static PR to visibility PR? Well, let's talk. Reach out to me to schedule a free consultation to find out how, with a visibility-based PR strategy, I can help you build brand awareness while staying relevant and ahead of the competition. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit my YouTube channel and click like and subscribe to see more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching.